নমস্কার দর্শক বন্ধুরা, রে স্পোর্টসের পর্দায় আপনাদের সকলকে স্বাগত জানাই। এই মুহূর্তে আমরা রয়েছি যুব ভারতী ক্রীড়াঙ্গনে। ঘরের মাঠে বেঙ্গালুরু এফসিকে 1-0 গোলে হারিয়ে বদলা নিল মোহনবাগান। অনবদ্য গোল করলেন লেস্টন কোলাসো। তবে কঠিন ম্যাচ অঙ্ক কষেই বের করতে হলো হোসে মলিনাকে। প্রথমার্ধে কিন্তু যথেষ্ট ভালো ফুটবল খেলছিল বেঙ্গালুরু এফসি এবং মোহনবাগান কোচ হোসে মলিনা কিন্তু মেনে নিলেন যে প্রথমার্ধে আমরা যথেষ্ট ভালো ফুটবল খেলতে পারিনি এবং যে আক্রমণ তৈরি করার প্রয়োজন ছিল, যে অ্যাগ্রেসিভনেস দেখানোর প্রয়োজন ছিল, সেটা আমরা কোথাও দেখাতে পারিনি। অন্যদিকে কিন্তু দ্বিতীয়ার্ধে আমরা ভালো ফুটবল খেলেছি এবং অবশ্যই সেই অ্যাগ্রেসিভনেস দেখাতে পেরেছি বলেই বেঙ্গালুরুর রক্ষণ চাপে ছিল, সেই ভুল থেকেই আমরা গোলটা তুলে নিতে পেরেছি। অন্যদিকে তিনি একথাও বললেন যে অ্যাওয়ে ম্যাচে অনেক সময় আমরা ভালো ফুটবল খেলতে পারছি না, এমনটা হয়তো অনেকে ভাবছেন, কিন্তু একটা অ্যাওয়ে ম্যাচ বাদ দিলে আমরা কিন্তু প্রত্যেকটা ম্যাচই ভালো খেলেছি এবং অবশ্যই ঘরের মাঠে সমর্থকদের উপস্থিতি আমাদেরকে বাড়তি অ্যাডভান্টেজ দিচ্ছে, কিন্তু প্রতিটা ম্যাচে আমরা ভালো খেলছি এমনটাই মনে করছেন তিনি। পাশাপাশি তিনি একথাও জানিয়ে রাখলেন যে একটা জয়ই কিন্তু স্বস্তি দেবে না, কারণ এরপরেও আরও অনেক কঠিন ম্যাচ রয়েছে। সেই ম্যাচগুলো ঘরের মাঠে হলেও এই মুহূর্তে লিগ শিল্ডের দৌড়ে যেহেতু মোহনবাগান রয়েছে, তাই প্রতিটা ম্যাচ থেকে পুরো পয়েন্ট তুলে নিয়েই কিন্তু লক্ষ্যের দিকে এগিয়ে যেতে হবে। বেঙ্গালুরু এফসিকে হারানোর পর কি বলছেন হোসে মলিনা, চলুন শুনে নেওয়া যাক তার মুখ থেকেই।
No, well, thank you very much and good evening everybody. I think that the match was more or less similar that we expected. We tried to be more aggressive in defense. In the first half, not enough, and they could move the ball and have the possession combinations and even some chances to score. But I think we had some good actions during attack, overall counter-attack. Long balls and balls to the space with Mambir, with Liston, with McLaren, and we had some chances. In the second half, we were more aggressive in defense. Even they are a really good team, and we know. They move the ball fast and they put a lot of players inside to make combinations and play forward. But we defend really well, really well. All the players from McLaren and Greg in front, defending really well, helping the team. Of course, midfielders, Mambir defending on the right, Liston helping Subas, the two centre backs, great effort. I'm really happy with the team performance today, and of course, really happy with the 3 points. 3 more points. Okay. Sorry, but I don't agree with you. I agree with you in the point that to play at home, to play here with our fans in the stands, it's like one player more, right? Pushing us and helping us, and that's great. When we are away team, even when we have in all the stadium, we have fans who came to support us, and we are absolutely thankful with them, all of them, right? But it's not the same, right? But okay, maybe in some matches, to be honest with you, from my point of view, just one match away, we were the worst team in Serie A. It was Bengaluru match. When we played Bengaluru was the best. They deserved that victory, right? In the rest of the matches we played away, even we lost in Goa. In my opinion, it was 50-50 match. We were not worst team than Goa, and the rest of the matches in Jamshedpur, we were the best team. In Chennai last match. Okay, to win matches you need to score goals, right? And we didn't in Chennai, and we we did in Jersey-Pool, but not at the level we need, right? And we couldn't, because we could score a lot of goals in Jersey-Pool. And in other matches, then to respond to your question, it's great to play here with our fans, right? It's maybe easier, right? But I don't think, sorry, I don't agree with you in that away we are not a good team. I don't know where I have to start from this one. It's, of course, we are on the top of the table, right? Being on the top of the table, you are in the best position to win the ship, right? That is obvious, right? But the job is not done. We know that. Still games play, still a lot of effort to do. Still we have to fight some matches that we have to win. Then, okay, we are closer today, but the job is not done, right? And about the pressure, here in Mohun never less pressure. You know? The pressure is maximum you can have. You know, and we know and we understand, and it's not a problem for us. You know, we have to live with that, and we know how to live with that, right? But the pressure will be there until we can win. If in the moment we can win, that is what we expect, right? But it's not less pressure right now. Will be pressure until the end. I had a lot of pressure against Mohamedan coming from Bengaluru, no doubt. And I have a lot of pressure right now after win Bengaluru because I have to win Mohamedan, not me, right? I know we are talking right now, you and me, right? And the focus is on me, not me, the team, all of us, right? But I told before, that is normal. The pressure is, the focus is here, you know, in the coach, you know. We have to play well, we have to win every match, we have to have 25 points of gap between us and the second one, right? That seems right now, you know. Okay, no problem. Perfect. That pressure. I'm gonna keep working in the same way, right? Absolutely happy being here as a Mohun coach with my team, with my players, with the club management, my friend Ratan, you know. Everybody's helping me to do my job, and hopefully, under the pressure, we can have a good last matches of the season and achieve the goal.
অন্যদিকে আজকে দুর্দান্ত ফুটবল খেলে ম্যাচের সেরা নির্বাচিত হয়েছেন আপুইয়া। তিনি কিন্তু ম্যাচের একেবারে শুরুর দিকেই হলুদ কার্ড দেখেছিলেন, তারপরে কিন্তু তার জন্য লড়াইটা সহজ ছিল না, এবং তিনি কিভাবে মাথা ঠান্ডা রেখে আজকে ফুটবল খেললেন এবং দলের জয়ে গুরুত্বপূর্ণ ভূমিকা নিলেন সে কথা জানালেন। পাশাপাশি বললেন যে অবশ্যই একজন ফুটবলার হিসেবে আমি চাই গোল করতে, কিন্তু আমি যে ভূমিকাটা দলে পালন করে থাকি সেটা কিন্তু একজন ডিফেন্সিভ মিডফিল্ডারের ভূমিকা, ফলে আমার কাছে গোল করাটা সবথেকে বড় কথা নয়, আমার কাছে কিন্তু দলের জয়টাই সবচেয়ে গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। কি বলছেন আপুইয়া, চলুন শুনে নেওয়া যাক তার মুখ থেকেই।
Hello everyone, I'm so happy to win this match and help the team. As you have said, I got the yellow card at the early minutes, which I don't think it should be yellow card because I don't think I touched him. He fell down easily, and the match was so hard for us. I think it was one of the most difficult matches in this season because they play so well, they keep the ball so well. But at the end, we stick to the coach plan, and you know, we stick to the coach plan and we are patient. We know that they will have more goals because the way they want to play is like that. So we are focusing on counter attacks and scoring on our chances. And keeping my head cool is, I think you always see me in every match. So I know that I cannot make stupid mistake because I cannot let the team down just because of my stupid mistake. So I told myself that I cannot get the yellow card. Instead of one mistake, I will just back down. Instead of making stupid tackles, I will just let them go. So that's how I told myself, and I try to help my team the best way I can. Everybody wants to score, but as you know, football is a team game. Everyone is having different roles. We cannot ask Rizal to have assists. Same for me. You cannot expect me to score every time. Like that's why we have strikers, we have wingers, and my role as defensive midfielder is, giving the ball to the one who is going to score and helping the team. And at the same time, everyone wants to score. I will try to score, but the most important thing is defending and helping the team not to concede the goals.
যুব ভারতী ক্রীড়াঙ্গন থেকে ক্যামেরায় শুভম মণ্ডলের সঙ্গে সৌরভ মুখার্জি, রে স্পোর্টস।